To know what a MillerTrust is, you have to understand a little bit about Medicaid's eligibility requirements. Medicaid has strict financial requirements in order to qualify. They look at your income, which is what you bring in every month through your Social Security or your pension, and then they look at your resources, which is all of your other assets. A MillerTrust is a way for someone whose income is otherwise too high to qualify for Medicaid. The state says that if you put your income in a trust with special provisions, they will allow someone whose income is otherwise too high to be eligible for nursing home Medicaid. So what a MillerTrust is it's a document that we prepare that is used to open a bank account in the name of the trust. A person will each month take the Medicaid applicant's income and run it through the trust account. And the trust has to have special provisions. It has to be irrevocable, which means once it's set up, you can't take it back during the Medicaid applicant's lifetime. It has to be managed by someone other than the Medicaid applicant, and that person is called a trustee. And then third, there has to be a provision for any money in the trust at the Medicaid applicant's death has to go to pay back the state of Texas. But as long as the trust meets those requirements, someone whose income is too high will qualify for Medicaid as long as they set up a MillerTrust. So a MillerTrust can get somewhat complicated, but the thing to know is that if your parent or your loved one's income is too high, the MillerTrust can be a huge relief in making sure that that person can get qualified for Medicaid.